Hey guys, we're gonna do a really quick unboxing and setup. So let's just open this up. So here we go. This is what you get with it. This is soft, which is exactly what we need. Now this has some texture to it, but you'll see why we have that texture. And all the way around, that's how it looks like. So this is pretty neat. It's better than the ones I've gotten before. It's nice that it comes with this, by the way. Because I always use this. Like, I have another one, but it's different. Now, on the background, you guys will notice that it's charging right now. That has nothing to do with this video, but it's from the same company. So this is pretty good because it's nice and soft. As you guys can see, it's all squishy. Feels like memory foam. So this is pretty nice. We're going to test it out and see how comfortable this is, but it feels already comfortable from me doing this. Anyways, so you get one of these, get another one as well. And you also get this one. So this one's the one that I'm probably never gonna use personally, but hey, if this is what you guys are going for comfort-wise, then yeah, this would be comfortable for some of you. I can see this. For me, I do a lot of games that I move a lot, so this would be better for me personally because I sweat a lot. But if you're not doing much stuff, or maybe just plain sitting down, then you could just put this on. Setup is quite easy because all you have to do is attach this here. So that's what you guys will notice, this Velcro type of thing happening there. And that's because this will just be placed there. So all you have to do is just place it however you like. So just around there. And here we go. So it's all there. It's very soft, but it's made that way so you guys can actually take this out and then just place another one on top of it. So you can always change this. However, it does stick on pretty good, so you can't say that it's the most comfortable thing in the world to be taking out and in all the time. So most likely for most of you, once you put this in, you're just gonna leave it in, and then you just take it out whenever you do need to actually change it up. So I'm just gonna take this out from my charging station. And the way that you would place this is extremely easy. So see this right here? Just snap it out. That's the old one. So it has a sweat guard on top of it. That's my other one. And this one's the one that I got from this company, which is way softer than this sweat guard here. This feels like just foam, which is not bad, by the way. I never disliked that. But this feels a lot more comfortable from what I can feel so far. We just have to snap this in. And that's it. That's how this looks. Later on, I will be doing a long-term review of this, but I cannot see this being not comfortable. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.